Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Evans and I am from Minnesota. I've always known that I needed to pursue a master's degree at some point in my life. I graduated with my bachelor's degree in psychology a few years ago and knew from the time I started that program that eventually I'd have to move into some deeper education to really do anything. It wasn't until I started my career as an advocate working with youth who have been abused that I decided that a master's in social work would be the best option for me. Working with kids who have experienced trauma has really driven me to find a way to pursue this goal. I never knew if I was going to be capable of doing that. I always doubted my abilities as a student. I didn't do well in my undergrad, so I was worried that I wouldn't do well in a master's program. And as silly as this sounds, it wasn't until I finished reading Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis that I decided I just needed to take that step and see if I could do it. I really enjoyed the first class, and I'm really looking forward to the second class. It's my goal when I'm done with this master's program to work in a clinical setting with youth who have experienced trauma. And I'm really excited to get going with the second class. I look forward to learning with you all. Have a great night.